Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing how to make this character jump. This is it. Well, I've already done it. I'll be explaining how the process is being done. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So the first thing you have to do is to create your your character, which we have done. You rig your character. Check on my check on my previous video on how to make this character and how to apply bones to it. We already created this character jumping from one place. That's the beginning. That's the total outcome. Jumping from one place to another. I'm going to teach you how to do this. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So that's the first thing to do. First and foremost, what we did here, we actually created the step using our reference image on how a character jumps. You can go online on your Google, search for it. What we did, we have to position the character just like the character is running. We'll position the character by adjusting this our target bone. Adjusting this our target bone, this is it. We adjusted the target bone of it. So if you want us to repeat this character, I can actually repeat on how to make this character jump. Okay, which I'm going to do. Please stay tuned while I start the whole process on how to make this character jump from one place to another. So the first thing to do, that's what you first do to make it jump. You take this first hand back, try to set in your keyframes. Okay, try to set in your keyframes. This leg will go to the front. Okay, that's the first step to do. We try to set in, okay, our keyframe. Move our timeline to 6. Mind you, we are going to adjust everything again. We just want to get the keyframes, then we use the proper timing for this. Move this leg backward a little bit. Move this hand forward. Take it to 6. Okay. We move this hand forward. We move this hand backward to position it like this. Okay. We're just trying to get the main key post of it. Thereby we'll modify it later. Okay. So we'll move this hand backward, just like someone that is lifting up. Move this hand backward. Okay, let's see what we have done so far. Okay. This hand to this stage, this hand to this stage, this hand there. Okay. Is landing. Okay. This leg. Okay. So that's just how to make this character jump. If you want a full tutorial step by step on how to make this thing possible, please type the full tutorial on the comments section. Just type full tutorial on how to make it jump. The video is so long. I'm going to make it possible so that you understand each step I took in order to make the character jump from one place to another. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment on this channel. Click on the subscription button that you want to learn this thing on how to animate the full design character on this, and I'm going to show it to you. Thank you very much. Like, share, and subscribe. That's the overall video of it. After a long time, that's it. This is the overall video of it. Click on the subscription button. Type full tutorial. I'm going to respond to it and drop the full tutorial on how to make it possible. See you next time.